बांयगिणी येवपी कोयरा प्रकल्पाचे परीक्षण उच्च न्यायालय तशेंच एनजीटी करता। आता जरी तर बांयगिणीच्या लोकांक त्या सुवातेर कोयरा प्रकल्प नाका तर तांच्यांनी स्वताचो कोयर डिस्पोज करपाचेर उपाय काडचो, ना तर तांच्यांनी सुवात सोदून पर्यायी सुवात सरकाराक दिवची। सरकार खर्च करून कोयरा प्रकल्प घालपाक तयार आसा म्हण माहिती मंत्री लोबोवन दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Are you going forward with that plant in Bangalore?
See, Baingeni is being monitored by Honorable High Court and National Green Tribunal, Pune. They are monitoring and we have to file status report. Every 2 months, whenever the case comes up on solid waste management, we have to file status report and we are going on filing status report. In that we have filed an affidavit that Baingeni will solve the problem of entire Tiswari. So, government is in the right track. Now, there are some sections of people who are opposing it. They are opposing, they should tell us the solution. They are creating garbage themselves. They should tell us solution where they want to dispose it scientifically. As per the GWMC, Goa Waste Management, Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. How they are going to dispose and where they are going to dispose. If they are bringing solution, we did not put a plant in Baingeni. So let them bring, whoever is opposing, let them get together. Tell government, you spend this money at this place, we are ready to spend. And we will run the plant. But tell them to give us the space. We already have place acquired by Ganji Municipal Council at that time. Now it is Corporation of City of Panaji.